Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get into there, and there. So let's get started. Let's start with this right here. So you're gonna want to come over here, go to far end of your boundary, go right here, press your Oculus menu. You're gonna want to walk. If it's not black, then you're gonna have to go back up the slide and down the slide and then do this again. Come over here, do this, that, jump on top of here, go right here. Oh, I did it wrong. Go back over here, drop down, do this. You're gonna wanna get under here, push. One of your hands should be in. It's really easy to get your other hand in. And you're in. You're gonna have to reload your game after. So now I'm gonna be showing you how to get in the fish tank. First, go to the far end of your boundary. Turn this way. Do this. Go over here. Right here. Now do this. Come all the way over here. Pinch climb this. Put your left hand on top. Pull. As I was saying, you pinch climb this. Put your left hand on top. Pull out. Jump to this. Jump to this light. As I was saying, you press your Oculus menu. You go over here. It's black for sure. You go over here. Do that. I might have done this a million times. Put your right there. Get on top of you. Go onto that way. Go onto this way. Here. Go there. Go up the side. You're gonna wanna drop down. Do that. Go under. Back down. You go under. Don't go on top of it, or we'll take you back out. See, now you're in. And an easy way to get out is just to jump. Now I'm going to be showing you how to get into the vending machine. First, you go to the far end of your boundary. Go over here. Press your Oculus menu. Over here. La-di-da-di-da. La-di-da-di-da. Boring old rules. Come on, you got up here. Climb. You pinch climb this. Put your hand right here. Jump to this. Jump to this. Oh! No. Go to the far end of your boundary. Go right here. You gotta walk to the end of your boundary. Oh! This way, this way, this. Go. Let's get into. Just make it easy and go into that. Get under here. No! As I was saying, in, and now you're stuck in the vending machine. But there's a way you can get out without restarting the game. But it's good. You have to go in here and then push yourself. Guys, subscribe.